how to reset your PNC Bank password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your PNC Bank password, don't worry. Resetting it is quick and easy. And in this video, I will show you how you can reset your password using the PNC website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you will be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the sign on button and after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply click on Forgot ID or Password, and after that, on the next page, you'll need to enter your credential. So here you can simply check the box, and once you're done with that, you simply have to enter your user ID. And here, once you're done entering your user ID, you simply have to click on next. And after that, you simply have to choose how you'd like to receive a one-time security code either by voice, email, text, or phone call, depending on your setup. So here you simply have to do as prompted and enter the code when you receive it. And here after verification you will be prompted to create a new password. So there simply enter or create a new password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols and confirm the new password and just hit submit and that's it. Now you will be able to log in with a new password and you can also reset your password as much as you want if you forget your password. And that's it. That's how you can reset your password on the PNC Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.